Hey guys, Running Kimono here, and in today's video we're going to be discussing the 5 off of 20 over at the Dollar General. It typically stacks with the 5 off of 25 for really big savings on a $25 basket, like $10 off. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. This coupon, the 5 off of 20, was valid only until the 14th, but for whatever reason, a lot of our accounts got a week extension right till the 21st. So double, triple check if you might have this, you can use it. Remember, all digital coupons are of a one-time use, so if you didn't use it last week, you could possibly use it this week. A couple housekeeping rules. For the biggest savings, I would go on the 21st, which is the Saturday. You basically buy $20 of Gain merchandise for the 5 off of 20 to work, along with $5 more of merch to get you to that $25 basket, and you're getting 10 off of 25, guys. I mean, OMG. Use the Dollar General app to scan the different Gain products that you're picking up to make sure that it's attaching with the 5 off of 20 along with the digital coupons. And any issues, void your transaction. You have the right to do that. I'm going to link this video at the very end, and if you're not really sure about what I'm talking about in this video, please watch it. It's a way to use the Dollar General app to scan merchandise into the store to make sure that the coupons are attaching. This is the biggest game changer. It cuts out the guesswork of Dollar General shopping. Check out this video. And just to show you a receipt, last weekend I went and did my 100% digital deal, grabbing the Maxwell House coffee and a couple other products, and I got my basket down to $6.12 before tax. This does in fact work, because I know a lot of people in the comments are like, mathematically this will not work. It does. So have a little bit of faith, take a little bit of a blind leap. But if you watch that game changer video and you're just following the math and the numbers, you'll know it's going to work. And just to show you, see where it says store discount, the two stack there, minus 61, minus 64, and then we have the digital coupon right there with the arrow is. That's how you know the two are stacking, just to note that, because I know these receipts are sometimes hard to decipher, but I bought that spray by Airwick with the Gain scent, and as you can see, everything attached perfectly, and that's how you know everything's attaching. Alternatively, you can always look on the email receipt, and it's itemized a little easier there, but this is how you know, just looking at a receipt, how the two are attaching. Okay, so deal number one is 100% digital. And there's not a lot of digital coupons to play with, so just bear with me with these. So the first one is the 5 off of 20. You need this one loaded to your store card. And then you're also going to need the 5 off of 25. Biggest savings is to go on that Saturday, so you can utilize this store coupon as well. So we're going to be grabbing 3 of these Gain fabrics. They're $5. Febreze with fabric, it's a spray for your couches and stuff. They're $5 a pop. So 3 of them, that's $15. And we're going to have that dollar digital along with the 3 off of 2. And both of those are attaching with the 5 off of 20, just to note that. Off of this bingo list, you're going to grab one item for $6.95. We have a $2 coupon that showed up, so it drops it down to $4.95. So whichever product that you want. And we are going to use this $2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that guy loaded to do this deal. And then the final item that we're going to grab is a Scott's toilet paper for $5 on the nose, and make sure you have this dollar digital coupon as well loaded. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the math. 3 of the Febreze Gain fabric sprays. Make sure it has the Gain logo on it. $5 each, that's $15. And then 1 Gain fling for $6.95. You can choose whatever you want off of that list. I'm going with the flings. So that's a total right there of $21.95 of Gain merchandise. So that 5 off of 20 is going to work. We're also throwing in a Scott's toilet paper for $5. So the new total is $26.95. After the last item is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 20 are coming off, along with $7 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $9.95 for the 5 items, basically shaking out each item to $1.99 each. Okay, so if you might have the opportunity to grab one of these Maxwell House coffees, if you had loaded that free coupon and you just could not make it out to the store last week, this specific one is no longer available to clip this coupon, but if you loaded it last week, up to $6.28 off, here's a new deal. Again, same math from the last one. We're grabbing 3 of the Febreze Gain fabric sprays, $15, one Gain Fling for $6.95, one Maxwell House coffee for $6.95. So your new total is $28.90. After your Maxwell House coffee is scanned at the end, you're going to punch in your phone number. We have the 5 off of 25, 5 off of 20, and then $12.28 of digital manufacturer coupons that are coming off. You're left with paying $6.62 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $1.32 a piece. That's kind of fantastic. Okay, so the next couple deals are with paper coupons or a mix of paper and digital. You're going to need your 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 20. Please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card. And these are also of a one-time use. So if you used it last week, you can't use it again on your store card, along with the 5 off of 25. So you need these 2 coupons loaded. And then we're going to grab 2 items off of this bingo list. So whichever you want, if you want dryer sheets or fabric softener or detergent, we're going to have this $2 coupon loaded digitally. And then from the Retail Me Not of November the 8th, we're going to need one of these paper coupons. Check out P&G Good every day. You might be able to find some printables too, maybe not. And then we're also going to be grabbing a whole bunch of these Febreze Air with the Gain scent. Please make sure you're grabbing the ones that have the Gain logo on it and that they're scanning with the app. We're going to need this $1 coupon along with this 3 off of 2. And then the final item that we're grabbing for our basket is one of these Tide Simply Pods for $2.95. And then we need this $2 digital coupon loaded. Okay, guys, so 2 of the Gain detergents at $6.95 is $13.90. 3 of the Febreze with the Gain scent Air Effects at $3 a pop, that's $9. One of the Tide Simply Pods is $2.95. Adding all of that up together, that's a total of $25.85. You'll present one $2 coupon from the November 8th Retail Me Not. After the coupon is scanned, punch in your phone number into the keypad. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 20, Dollar General coupons are coming off, along with $8 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $5.85 for the 6 items, shaking it out to 97 cents per product. Not too shabby. Okay, so this next little dealio is for more experienced Dollar General shoppers. You'll figure this out here in a second. You're going to need the 5 off of 20 loaded to your store card. And this guy expires on Saturday, so use it or lose it. And then the 5 off of 25, so those 2 specific coupons. Okay, so we're going to be grabbing 7 of these Febreze Air with the Gain scent. 7 of them at $3 a pop, so that's $21. And we're going to need 2 of these guys from the November P&G. And how you utilize this coupon is to get the cashier to scan 2, present a coupon, scan 2, present a coupon. To answer a quick question, will this make your balance dip below the $25 mark? No, because until the cashier presses the final pay button, the numbers don't aggregate. If you have an unfriendly store that will not let you, scan 2 and then present a coupon, this will not work, but this is how the coupon has to be scanned as per the coding of the coupon. And then digitally, we need the $1 off along with the 3 off of 2. So these 2 digital coupons. Okay, guys, we're also going to grab one of the Scott's toilet papers for $5 on the nose, and we're going to need this $1 digital coupon loaded. Okay, so taking a quick look at the math, 7 of the Febreze with Gain scent Air Effects, $3 a pop, that's $21 on the nose. Again, we have to do that goofy jog of scanning 2 Air Effects, present a coupon, scan 2, present a coupon. That subtracts $6 right there, and then scan the Scott's toilet paper for $5. So your total is $26. Let's not count that $6 though, just to show you the total. So after the last toilet paper is scanned, you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 Dollar General coupons are coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $5 out of pocket, shaking out each product to 62 cents each. This is a phenomenal price for these products. It is a little bit of stupidity of scanning 2, presenting a coupon, scanning 2, presenting a coupon. But as you could see, 62 cents each, oh my gosh, that's some tremendous savings right there. Okay, the next deal that we have again is with paper coupons. We need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 20. Along with the 5 off of 25 loaded to our store card. So we need these 2 specific Dollar General coupons on our store card, and definitely use or lose that Gain one this week. We're going to be grabbing one of these big mamas, the 51 count of the Gain Flings. I think I might be giving a bunch of these away for Christmas because I love that there's so many flings inside of that container. We're going to need this $3 coupon from the Retail Me Not of November the 8th. Along with, we're going to grab one of these guys off of this bingo list for $6.95, and then we have this $2 coupon that's attaching. So whichever product that you want from that list. And then the last item to round our basket off to $25 is one of the Scott's toilet paper for $5. And then we have a $1 coupon, so please make sure you have that guy loaded. Okay, looking at the math for this one of the Gain Flings 51 count is $13.50, one of the Gain detergents for $6.95, and then one Scott's toilet paper for $5 on the nose. The total for this basket is $25.45. You'll present one $3 coupon from your Retail Me Not of November the 8th. After that coupon is scanned, punch in your phone number, 5 off of 25, 5 off of 20 is coming off, along with $3 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $9.45 out of pocket for the 3 items, shaking it out to $3.15 per product. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.